Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Easymaxx manual sewing machine. Quickly perform minor sewing, also ideal when traveling and on the go. Compact 21 cm, 9-piece set included on the box. Can be used flexibly without cable or adapters. It is battery powered. Practical, one-handed, easy to operate, ideal for beginners. And you can see how it looks and what accessories it has inside. And let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Nice! And we have some fabric here. Already installed it. Definitely was passed the test at the factory. Let's check on the accessories. Accessories, we have 4 bobbins with yarn. One pre-installed, it is the white color, red, blue and black. 2 spare needles. 1 thread reel holder and 1 thread reel holder for larger thread reels. Now at the sewing machine you can use it with a power adapter. It says DC 6 volt 600 mAh, and here it is the battery compartment. You need 4 1.5 volt batteries, rechargeable or regular batteries, it is your choice. And let's install them. The on-off switch, obviously. 1 coil holder here with bobbin. Hand wheel, turn the wheel to raise and lower the needle. Yep, correct. The yarn tensioner adjusts the tension of the thread. The thread guide, it goes from here at the needle. At the front we have the needle. And here it is the needle clamp screw. You can unscrew that and replace the needle inside. The cloth clamp, it is here. You can just pull that, release it and release and the cloth. At the front we have the thread plate with a carrier. And I think that is all about. And with the push of a button, it can start. Nice. I like it. Well, let's find out a cloth, a fabric, and test it. Now, I have this black t-shirt. Let's try it here first. That goes inside here. It locks. Press the button. And it stops because it cannot sewing together 2 fabrics. It is too hard for this sewing machine. And we can see here we have some gaps. Okay. Now I'm trying to release it. Oh, there it is. Ooh. Let's give it a try again. And again, we have some gaps here. Okay. I think it didn't do anything. Wow! And you can remove it so easy. Let's install it again. Okay, I think we have the same problem. I don't know why it's doing something like that. Maybe 10 euros only, it doesn't worth to buy it. It costs only 10 euros. Can you imagine? 10 euros only. But it's not doing a good job. Let's try a third time. Nope, I think we have the same problem. Well, please guys, leave down below to the comments your thoughts. What do you think is the problem? Is it worth to buying it and do your job? As we can see, until now, it's not doing a good job. Okay. Maybe let's test it on other fabric. Yes, why not? And I have this fabric. Again, pull that and install that here. It is a thicker fabric. Oh, nice. I think now he's doing a good job. But, okay. What is that? Oh my god, I don't think it's worth my time and try testing this sewing. Okay, nice. Let's try it again. Ooh. Well guys, it cost only 10 euros. I didn't expect to do a good job, good work, but I'm trying to see what is happening. It has this gap between the sewing. Okay guys, well, just leave down below the comments your thoughts. What is wrong? Until my next video, let's find out what is the problem. Any help, it is good for me. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video. You never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.